Hi! If you've forgotten the password for your electronic piggy bank, don't worry. It's quick and easy to reset. First, use a Phillips screwdriver, or if you don't have one handy, carefully use the tip of a knife to remove the screw from the battery compartment. Take out the batteries and wait about 10 seconds. Then insert them back, close the battery compartment, and tighten the screw. That's it. The password has now been reset to the factory default code 0000. You can continue using the default code or set your own personal 4-digit password. To create a new code, open the safe door and press and hold the star button until the light indicator starts flashing. Now enter your new 4-digit password and press the number button to save it. Your new password is now stored. Close the safe door and test your new code. As you can see, the new password has been successfully saved and your electronic piggy bank is ready to use again. Mission accomplished. Your piggy bank is unlocked and family peace has been restored.